You should know that what subject he studied, Swami Vivekananda, that nobody is studying. That is how our India is deteriorating. Our country, he studied philosophy. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತತ್ವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ತತ್ವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, ತರ್ಕಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, both he studied. Logic. He's so dear to me, I don't know why. I also studied both the subjects, philosophy and logic. I was teaching logic because logic and philosophy goes hand in hand, and these two give birth to your science. Science give birth to the social evolution. Social evolution should make you realize again, go back and realize your spiritual entity within you. That's what Swami Vivekananda wanted our youth to realize this. It's very wonderful. Teachers, every one of them have contributed. I think some may be silently contributing, some may be actively contributing, some may be contributing with acceptance of good qualities, some may by really giving contribution by original things, but every one of them have contributed for this function. And it's a meaningful function. That's why I told them, why are you delaying? January 12th is over. Ambedkar Jayanti is over. Ambedkar is also another great man. Both of them accepted Buddhism first. Prabuddha Bharata word, Prabuddha, our Vivekananda took it from Buddhism. You should know that. He was a staunch Buddhist even at his in his life, he was a Buddhist, because Buddhism is nothing but, I don't say offshoot, but it is the version of our Hindu Dharma in a very simpler way, which can reach every common man and make him also feel happy and peaceful. That's all. Don't have to say that's a different thing. So he wanted two things to happen in our country, which is not happening today. I think I forgot to tell you in the beginning itself, I wanted to tell that. You should also make some of the Suvichar also to speak on Swami Vivekananda. You should know that he is a well-informed person, isn't it? And you should also find out from teachers, now for example, Mr. D'Souza, how he contributed in music. Asha, how she is contributing in coordinating and organizing the program. Also, some of the teachers may have greater inputs than the speaker who is going to stand before you. So you should know your teachers first. Nam gurugalna now first tilkobeku, avralli ಏನು potential ಇದೆ, what is that inherent thing in them. And of course, all our teachers have got a very good laurels, applause from the parents and the people. I've already told you the science team is doing its best in both the ways, either at JP Nagar or here, and all the teachers. And I know that they are all very regular to the class. They don't miss the class. They don't allow you to. What he told you, create an idea and you don't shirk from the idea. Live in that idea, die in that idea. That's what he told. An idea which is inculcated, the idea of teacherhood, the idea of studenthood. As long as you are a student, you are a studenthood. You have to experience. That should be your idea, not that becoming a air hostess or becoming a beautician, but you are a student and the learning idea should be there in you. We cannot simply generally know the speeches of Swami Vivekananda. You should see that he has written volumes and volumes and volumes of books. Volumes you can never finish. And he has studied all the religions. It may be Quran, it may be Bible, it may be our Dhamma philosophy of Buddha, or the Mahavira's all Anuvratas and Mahavratas, or Judaism or Sikhism. But what he says is only when we know how best we are. he makes a very good statement. Travel away from all the religious texts. It may be Bible, Quran or Vedas or Upanishads or anything. But before traveling away from that, please know what they are. What a beautiful thing it is. And he lived only 39. It's not the age which counts. In fact, I've read his early childhood activities, how interesting it is, how he propounded secularism as a child. As a child, how he was concentrating on humanitarian values. As a child, how he was really telling that humor and wit should be the part and parcel of our life. Humor and wit. Humor and wit ಇಲ್ಲ ತಮಾಷೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವೇ we have to make fun of ourselves. That's what he says. Making fun of others is very easy. And what she did, I say. What was that they sang? But I couldn't sing even that much. I think I'm so useless. I think I must become like that. And if you mock at yourself, I think you will grow. Mocking at others is very simple, very easy. It doesn't require any effort. To mock at yourself, you have to converge and try to concentrate all your energy and look at yourself. That's what he wanted. Go around the world seeking help, strength, success. You will not get it. Go around the world and come back and go within and think you will get everything. That is the thing which gave him to tell that you are the architect of your life. Because he realized it. Swami Vivekananda was a highly skeptical person. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಐಡಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಸಾಕೋರಂತ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. Why are you? Mother was so calm and pious lady she is. She used to tell him, Narendra, you should not behave like this. No, I don't understand. Why should you worship? I will worship you. I will worship my father. I will worship my Tangawala Chacha who takes me daily to school and brings me back by giving all interesting stories to me. I enjoy more than going with Tangawala than staying in the school. He was a Sabi Chacha, but he never thought that he is a Muslim or he is a Brahmin or he is a this, he is a that, he is this. But he used to really feel so much in completely intimacy with that Chacha, and he never knew that because he was not polluted. See, now children are polluted. The moment you are born, I think we are asking your caste and creed in the form. Isn't it? Wonderful concept of mat, which our ancient, see how he thanks ancient monks of ancient India. That is a strong thing what he has told. He is not saluting anybody now. He is not saluting anything in particular in person. He is saluting the creator of the creator who have given the creation, success and philosophy to the people through their realization which they have given it to others. That is called as Shruti. What is it? Shruti. Shruti andre ಮಹಾಪದ ಅದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. We can't just say, children, you are all having digital classroom, wonderful presentation, and teachers go on repeating. Your Asha ma'am will make you write 100 times till you become perfect, isn't it? And your teachers go on giving tests. Listening, writing, rewriting. Only in science, scientific discoveries we have got variation and repetition, but not in learning. Variation, observation, experiment, isolation, variation, repetition. That is the stages of scientific method. But here what happens? It is just conceived. That is the thing. So Vivekananda, as a boy, he proved secular in the house. When he was, his the father was a barrister, lawyer, very successful person, very accepted person of the society, isn't it? So when all of them come for the case solving, the public, there was some differentiation made in the hall. One place was meant for higher caste, one place was meant for the rich, merchant class, one place was meant for the lower class, one place was meant for the least condemned class. They have to sit in that order only when they come to approach the father. One evening he came running from this thing playing. He was a very playful also, very adventurous boy, very, I think not even a single minute he has wasted his energy in that way, physically, mentally, spiritually, psychologically, socially, even politically, not the politics what I am talking today. It is a political philosophy he was involved. He was not bothered about your politics and political science of today. Political science also has become politics today. He was involved in political philosophy, Rajya Shastrada Tatvika. ತಾತ್ವಿಕ ಚಿಂತನೆ, ಅರಿಸ್ಟಾಟಲ್, ಸಾಕ್ರೆಟಿಸ್, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ಲೇಟೋ. He studied both Eastern and Western philosophy. That's a very, I think that philosophy subject, in fact, my students protested near the chamber of our president of the National Education Society, Dr. H. Narasimhaiah. We want philosophy to be introduced. That is because the way I influenced them, the way I told them the value of philosophy which helped me to be like this. Same way Vivekananda told that how philosophy and spirituality goes together, and we don't want religion. He told the Bharat Mata, the land of Bharat Mata is the Mata of all religions of the world, not of India, of the world. ಬೇಲೂರು ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ವೆನ್ ಈ ಕೇಮ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕಟಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವಾಗ, ಸೊ ಹುಕ್ಕ ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೆಟ್, ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ their choice to their turn to come and meet the lawyer. So this person came running, and behind him this Chacha also came. Sabi Chacha also came. And he said, I am very thirsty. Then Narendranath, what he did was, immediately what he could get, one hookah, he gave it to him. Please have a sip anta hedalva. So have a suck. So Chacha, though he hesitated, this boy forced him. He is a Muslim. And he has no place at all. He has to be there. And each class they are separated. Even we are Hindus also, we are not united, isn't it? There also today you see how much we are dividing. Where is the question of talking? But I don't want to go to that topic. But let us go back here. But you learn something from this. See, don't bother what wrong. See, even when he started promoting the welfare of the mankind. He promoted welfare of the mankind. He never did any welfare of the... He says, as long as the civilization is there, the poverty is there. Look at the strong statement he makes. I took really days together to analyze that. Why the poverty exists as long as the civilization exists. ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪದ ಏನು? ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ. ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಪೋಕ್ರಸಿ. ನಾವು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ, ನಾವು ಬದುಕೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ, ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ 5 ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಸಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರುಚಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ ನಾಲಿಗೆಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಮ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಚ್ಚನ್ ಹೇಳೋರು, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ದೇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋರು. ಮುಳ್ಳು ಯಾವುದು? ಫೋರ್ಕ್. ಈ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋರು. Even when he went to America for his PhD in physics, I think he never followed any of these things. Great people will not follow either Gandhiji or himself or anybody for that matter if we take. It's only artificial people. We are all pseudo-civilized. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ pseudo-civilized ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೊಂದು ಹೊರಗೊಂದು ನಾವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಾಸರು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಹೊರಗೆ ಮಿಂದು ಒಳಗೆ ಮೀಯದವ ಕಂಡು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಅಂತ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ 20 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಚ್ಚನ್ನು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಮಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈಲಿಗೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಶುಚಿತ್ವ. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶುಚಿತ್ವ. ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಕಾರಿ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಬುಕ್ ಓದಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಡ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಡಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಏನದು? ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಡ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಮಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶುಚಿತ್ವ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಚ್ಚನ ಹೇಳೋರು, ಮಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಸೇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ನೀರು, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಐರಾನಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಮೈ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಮೈ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್. He was also a very rational thinker. So this is the thing. Swami Vivekananda, when he came, he started sucking and then he went off. But he was so much scared. So much scared. So then other people saw there, some of them, they protested. They said, from tomorrow we are not coming to you. We will change. But ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೀದಿಗೊಂದು ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸು, ಬೀದಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ, ಬೀದಿಗೊಂದಿದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಪಂಡ್ರಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂಗಳಗಟ್ಲೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವೇನ್ ಪಂಡ್ರಾಪುರಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ದಾರಿ ಎಡವು ಬಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಎಡವು ಬಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಠ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಎಡವು ಬಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಇಂಥ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು. ನೀವು ಮಠಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಠನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್. ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾತಿಗೊಂದು ಮಠ ಬಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಮಾಜ ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಜದ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರು. If they were isolated from the society, I think no use. Shankaracharya also went from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Vivekananda also, he wanted to see what is India, what are the problems, what is the status of a woman, what is the status of youth and what is the country's future. ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಅವರು ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. He says, if education cannot go to poor, I think poor, if poor cannot come to education, education should go to poor. If education cannot go to poor, he never told caste, creed, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವ ಬಡವರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಲಿಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ವ್ಯವಧಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ. We don't have any such observations. We are not doing anything. He wanted social reformation. He wanted spiritual elevation. He didn't want other. He says material. See, he very nicely makes a very strong statement in Western platform. ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನದು? ಯು ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಟಿರನಿ ಆಫ್ ಶೈಲಾಕ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಟಿರನಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೀಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. He is not talking about Manu, Swamiji Manu, the great Maharshi. He is not talking about our great Maharshis. He is not talking about Paramacharyas, the Trimatacharyas. They were all not commercial. They were for the humanitarian evolution. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಶೈಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಪಂಚನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇವರಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ. He says, what is religion? Having strong faith in whatever you need which can elevate you and evolve you and emancipate you. That is religion. That's all the religion. Nothing else is religion ಅಂತಾರೋ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಅದೇ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸ್ನ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. He doesn't promote later aspects of the development of our spirituality hoitu, philosophy hoitu, everything went. Then religion came, but religion took a different turn according to the man's greed and need. ರಾಮನ ಆದರ್ಶ ನನಗೆ, ರಾಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ತನು, ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಪ್ತ ರಾಮ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಆದರ್ಶ ಪುರುಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. If you are being crowned as a king also he is same. If you are asked to go on exile in the forest also he is same. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಮಾಜನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಉಂಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಾಮ ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ರಾಮ went in disguise form to see what is the condition of his citizens, his subjects. ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೋಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಾ, ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಆ ದಾರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, because I am the person who is trying to lead the whole country, whole people. If I am wrong, everybody will be wrong. He sent Sita to forest not because she is wrong, because he didn't want anybody else to really say that the mistake happens and so even I can do that mistake. ಇವತ್ತು ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ರಾಮಂದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ? Lakes are really going away. You people, children cannot have oxygen. At least you will have little bit, don't worry. If you are marrying, your children will not have. You will not have oxygen. Definitely. Forests are not there. Lakes are not there. Hillocks are not there. They are the heart of the nature. Betta guddagalideಯಲ್ಲ, they restore, retain and rehabilitate the nature's complete rejuvenation, but which is not happening. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವರಿಗೆ ವರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಎಂತೋ ಸಂಪತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ. See, if they were worried that time only, if they were to be born again and come, I think they would run away. They will not. I think we are very strong, alla? We are very strong under any adverse conditions. I think we should tell the Vivekananda, write one letter, all of you. Sir, what you are telling, face the fear. See, we are facing all atrocities. I think there cannot be any bold person than us. Because you are all very passive. You are not as a roaring person. He is a Veera Sannyasi. Veera, ಸನ್ಯಾಸತ್ವದಲ್ಲೂ ವೀರತ್ವದಲ್ಲೂ ಸನ್ಯಾಸ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ವೀರ, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಂತು ಬಡದಾಡುವ ವೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲರ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂತ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಭಾಳ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಅವರಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕಂದ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್, ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಬೂಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀನು ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? ನಾನು ತಿದ್ದುತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ. ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡನ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಡೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಚಾಚಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಡೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಡೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ? ಇದು 8 ವರ್ಷದ ಬಾಲಕ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೀವು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ well informed. That's why he says bundle of information is not education, it should be the source of inspiration antaro. Bundle of information is not education. Parrot like, if you have read this message, I don't appreciate you people. I don't like if you have simply done for the sake of the presentation. You should have taken some philosophy from this. ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಥು ವಾಟ್ ಆಮ್ ಐ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. He never asked excuse, but he never left the company of Tanga Chacha. He survived through adverse conditions of the social taboos. He wanted secular and sacred religion, not sectarian and slaughtering religion. Slaughtering ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಬಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು. Sectarian and sanctifying to the holy act ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಚಸ್ಸು, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಚಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಓದಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ. ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಧ್ವಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಶಿಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸೋಲ್ಸ್. So many people come and I don't know how they are blessed ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಮ್ಮ ನೀವು. All of you think how they are blessed. What made God to bless them? ಅಂದ್ರೆ the culture, the hereditary which continues for years, for generations. That's why you should accumulate good things. Last but not the least, I want to tell you, when he started his Belur Mutt, first Mutt he started, he had good number of youth disciples with him. He is so smart, so handsome, so robust health. Bhima, Hanuma, Bhima, Madhva ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ I think I feel Vivekananda is also has got that personality. When I did the Madhvacharya drama, ಪೇಜಾವರ್ ಶ್ರೀಗಳು ಕರೆದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀನು ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಮಧ್ವಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರೋ ಹಾಗೇ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾಕುಂತಳ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸಾಗರ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನವರು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾಕುಂತಳ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕಣ್ವಾಶ್ರಮ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀ. ರಿಸೆಂಟೆಡ್, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಅಗ್ಲಿ. I said, there is Kalidasa will commit suicide. Kalidasa will commit suicide. Beauty is beauty. We cannot ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. A thing of beauty is joy forever ಅಂದ ಜಾನ್ ಕೀಟ್ಸ್. A thing of beauty is joy forever. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬಾರ್ದು ಶರಣ್ಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, truth is beauty and beauty is truth ಅಂತ. Did you understand? Don't stop it at first line. Like ಕರ್ಮಣ್ಯ ವಾದಿಕಾರಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಫಲೇಶು ಕದಾಚ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾಹೇತಗೂ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಯು ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೇವರೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಫೈನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಜೋಕ್ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. He was traveling in a train with this makeup, isn't it? ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, isn't it? If anybody is wearing like that and all. So girls of your type, shall I tell you? Okay? Yes, of this age, they all were making fun of him. What is this, I say? I think like 9 yards of sari, he has made it into his robe, and he's doing all that and all. They were making lot of fun. So he was just listening to them, and they were also trying to provoke him. Then afterwards they told that whatever we tell, we want you to do, if you don't do, we will go and report to the station master that you are attempting to rape us and you are a very bad person. It happened in the case of Vivekananda. But he never lost any. He said, I will do whatever you want. Whatever you want, I will do. But you must write what you want me to do, and you should write that we want you to do. So these girls, in the fervor of their emotional ecstasy of making Vivekananda as a fool, that's why when you want to make others fool, you will become a fool. Did you understand? So these girls wrote, come on, we will write, and Ella said from birthday. Straight he got down and he went to the station master. Straight he went to the station master. Oh, these girls, they started shouting, Sir, excuse me, sir, Kshama kijiye, he came back and told, never do this. Respect everybody. This is the age to learn all good things. I think you have not been told about good things. Making fun of others is very simple. But can you make fun of yourself now? So you can't. So even in humor way, he has taught 101 things to his disciples and people around him. So in Belur Math, when all disciples started sitting around him, it was a New Year's Day. It is going to. Yeah, okay, my dear students. He was very fond of students. What are you going to do for the New Year? So all celebration, this, that, and whatever the type of celebration they had, already Britishers had influenced us, I think, nicely. And it is very difficult, habits die hard, and the Britishers practice, it will never die. It will never die. So that is the thing. But what is good we will take. Not all that what they give is good. So then he told, I will tell you one thing. Will you all do? He said, all the students were eagerly waiting what he's going to tell. He told, we'll all die tomorrow. Die? What is this young and energetic monk is talking with this young and energetic and enthusiastic students about death? He's talking about death. But I'm telling very seriously. Death is the solution for the youth. Then they all told, but not the death. You run away from failure and hang yourself. Not the death. You run away from your poverty and end your life. Not the death. You run away from your disappointments and depressions and end your life. The life which nature experiences as death every year, shedding all bad things and coming out as the fresh person with the soul of its own. That kind of death you should have. Our death you want. I also died. Because I died, I got rejuvenated. Ramana Maharshi died. He got rejuvenated. Shankaracharya experienced the death. He came out. Death means only not for the great people. Totally annihilation of your emotions and everything. And try to maintain that I don't want any of these things, and then you take what is required. That is what he says, is that everybody has to undergo one death. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಉಪನಯನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಅದು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ we have to take second birth. Why second birth happens when there is first birth? That means you should be reborn as a person of evolving. Death antandre put an end to all that is not required for you. Is it so easy? Is that death is so easy? You can go and hang yourself. You can go and jump into the water. You can run away from the society and sit on the Himalaya mountain and just die there. Or else you can withdraw yourself and sit in a room. But living the life and withdrawing is the one which we want, that kind of birth. He says, because he was so much upset about the conditions around him. Totally, I think when he went to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, he directly asked, what are you? Who are you? What is that useless thing you are preaching? How can that the stone statue give life to the poor, life to this, life to that? But Ramakrishna Paramahamsa wanted this type of student to question, as Krishna waited Arjuna to ask questions. You people don't ask questions at all. Pariprashnena. Without asking questions, that is the first base of scientific knowledge. Our spirituality, particularly in the land of India, the spirituality has got all the scientific things. So that kind of death, he wants the youth to experience. The whole world is meaningless, worthless. I want to have a different thing. I want to come out as a different soul. I want to come out as a different person. I don't want any of these things. Help me. You go into the trance and go into the depth and then open your eyes. You come back as a new person. The ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನಾನು ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ I don't want this laziness, I don't want this bad company, I don't want this mobile thing, I don't want this girlfriend, boyfriend complications, I don't want any of these things, I want to be peaceful, I want to achieve something, I want to know myself and that. If you go on doing that, I think the death for that thing happens and the birth for the soul, your soul is there and the birth ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. It's not so difficult, that's what he says, you all experience. I want you to experience. Then you become 100 times stronger than what you were. That's how he became. That's how he became. That's how all our Dutas and all Acharyas, everybody, or Artha Madkodadalli we have not gone. Or Gandhiji for that matter, even he has undergone. He is a staunch follower of Swami Vivekananda. Staunch follower. So that's why, my dear children, I think enough you have given me and through your presentation, but nothing should be only textually given. Even if Vivekananda ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟವಾದದ್ದು, ಅದು ಬರೀ ಪಂಡಿತರಿಗೆ ಪಾಮರರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಅಂಥ ಮಂತ್ರ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಂತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲೇಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಉತ್ತಿಷ್ಠದ ಜಾಗ್ರದ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ಯ ವರಾನ್ನಿ ಬೋಧತ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವೇಕ್, ಪ್ರಬುದ್ಧ ಭಾರತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೇಕಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಅವೇಕನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಏನು? ಅವೇಕಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಅವೇಕನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಅವೇಕಂಡ್ ಯೂತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅವೇಕಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. Awakened youth will awaken the India. Awakened India will awaken the world. See what beautiful things I say. You must read. I read 100 times. I read 1000 times. So much. Now I feel my sight ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬೇಜಾರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಓದಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಓದ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. When you go to the river and collect water with your hands, ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ಲು ತೆಗ್ದಿರ್ತೀರ ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. But when you take it out, only a little. And when you walk with that, only one drop. And even that drop also you may miss. Please understand your idea, your goal. Ashte. Don't cut off all unwanted things, and think about your nation, think about your mother, think about your society, think about your kith and kin. Don't fight among yourself, don't talk about the caste, don't talk about the creed. Only for love marriage caste bed antare, adalla. Love marriage, see, one girl has married a Christian boy. I was very much disappointed at this. Very willingly married, she has got 2 boys, everything is okay, and then she came and told me, ma'am, I've applied for this, I'm not getting this seat. I said, why? They go, oh, they are telling you are a Brahmin. I said, you married a Christian, no? That means still you have not given up that particular thing. When you could marry somebody, that means you accept everybody, isn't it? Why do you say that? Why do you want to declare? Nobody can ask me that question, who are you? What? I can tell you what am I, but I cannot tell you who am I, because I don't know. I don't know. If the moment I was born, if I was thrown into slum, I would have become a slum baby. If the moment I am born, like Kunti left the child in the water and he became a Sutaputra, he is a Lord son's child. Surya Narayana's child became a Sutaputra. That means it is in the upcoming and upbringing is very important. I want you people to be happy, that's all. This can really create a barrier. Then we are not happy. Yaar happy agirbodu, nave happy agiralla. We'll all accept each other. That's what he wanted this India to send the message across 7 seas. He says, no religion can spoil our philosophy. It is so strong rooted, and no civilization can really spoil our this one, because it is so strong rooted. Ours is the universal acceptance religion. What is it? Universal acceptance religion.